Now that you've seen the train, let's have a closer look at the power on this train. The lead locomotive here coming into view is number 614. It is a SD35. Guilford only had one of these locomotives, and unfortunately it was scrapped in 1994. 2,500 horsepower. The second unit in the consist is SD26, number 615. Guilford had like 33 or 4 of these, I can't remember exactly, at one point, and unfortunately there's only 2 in service right now, and 615 is not one of them. It got scrapped in 2005. 2,650 horsepower on that. The next unit in the consist is a high-nose GP40, number 370. It came from NS at some point in the mid-90s. Still in service today, and it just got painted in the new Pan Am paint scheme. The next unit in the consist is another SD26, number 619. Again, 2,650 horsepower. This unit has been out of service since 2005. I'm guessing it's probably been scrapped, but I'm not sure. The next unit in the consist is a GP40, number 310. 3,000 horsepower, still in service today. And the next unit is another GP40, number 307. It's in the new Pan Am paint scheme right now, and it's still in service. And last but not least is another SD26, 643. Still in service on Guilford, barely, but still in service.